Allow your eyes to comfortably close and come down into your body's weight and volume and the movements your body makes as you breathe. Notice the contact your body is making with the surface directly beneath it. Sit back onto its support. As you do so, breathe out down the full length of your body, allowing your body to soften and release what it no longer needs to carry. Let it flow out and away. Let yourself know it's completely okay to be exactly as you are right now. It's completely okay to be exactly who you are right now. And become aware of the sensation of air entering your nostrils and leaving. Notice the air is cool as it enters, warm as it leaves. Notice you're breathing in from the space around you and out into it. As you do so, notice the touch of the air on your face and body. And the play of light and shade through your closed eyelids, right round your peripheral vision. Let everything be there. In your own time and when you are ready, notice the movements your body makes as you breathe. Notice the expansion of the in-breath the release of the out. Notice the opening outwards and rising upwards motion of the in-breath. As your shoulders, chest, and thorax open to receive nourishment in this moment. Notice the softening, letting go motion of the out-breath. Notice how the whole of your upper body follows through with the softening, letting go motion as the breath flows out. Notice the out-breath is the body's natural relax. As you do so, hold yourself with compassion. Let loving kindness in around you. All the way around you. Breathe the loving kindness in and out on the ebb and flow of your breath. Breathe the loving kindness into all the places within you in need of kindness, in need of healing. Loving kindness surrounding you. Let yourself know you're doing well. You're doing really well. And appreciate yourself for whatever you wish. Enjoy the appreciation. Really allow yourself to take in its benefit. Let it spread through you like a warmth. And fill you up from top to toe. Slowly, in your own time, and when you are ready, gently come back to the sensation of air entering your nostrils and leaving, and the movements your body makes as you breathe. Notice the contact your body is making with the surface directly beneath it. Let it steady you. Notice you're breathing in from the space around you and out into it. Notice you're here in this moment. And in your own way, your own time, you can draw this meditation to a close.